Hello Boxer, welcome to Boxing Blog Center. Let's talk about RAPHAEL AKPEJIORI, the Nigerian Hurricane, an heavyweight prospect who has 4 fights, 4 wins, with 4 KOs, knocking all his opponents out cold. I have to give thanks to Jack Namo, the guy who recommended I check him out, because the Akpejori I know is a basketball player, so I thought they are like 2 different people. When I first heard the name, I was like, Akpejori, the guy that played basketball? So I was kind of confused about it. So I had to really contact Akpejori himself, which I did last night. And he told me that he's the same guy. He played basketball, but now he's a professional boxer. And I have been going through his boxing background. I watched his pro debut. And looking at that fight, the video, something surprised me. Akpejori's combination is something outstanding. He knows how to go to the body. He's a very devastating body puncher. Akpejori is also a giant of a man. He's 6'8", taller than Anthony Joshua. He's unorthodox. Born in Nigeria, Lagos. He resides in Miami, Florida, USA. And he's someone to look out for. So, I really want to see his career, go far. And I think he will be very dangerous. But he still has a long way to go because he hasn't gotten the recognition he deserves yet. He turned pro last year, September 14th. His first fight was against Omar Acosta. He knocked that guy out cold. First round, KO. Second fight against James Advin Collar. He knocked that one out as well. Third fight against Miguel Solis. Another TKO for him. Fourth fight against Alexis Rafael Castillo Sanchez. Another devastating KO. Now, his 5th fight was supposed to be against Anio De Mate, which I think has been postponed. And I don't know when he's going to fight next, but I will try and ask him about when his next fight is going to be, because I think as a Nigerian, my first priority is to support our underground fighters, which I've been doing so far with Efa Jabba, Apochi, Linus Udofia, and others. So I think RAPHAEL AKPEJIORI will go very far if he connects with the right promotional company. And the best advice I can give Akpejori right now, which I think he might be listening right now, is to try get in touch with Eddie Hearn of Metro Boxing so that he can connect you with the zone and then go further from there. Akpejori is a giant of a man. He's got the reach. He's taller than Joshua. He is not as experienced as Joshua because he's a former basketball player, right? It's different. Joshua came from the street. But Akpejori also came from the street of Nigeria, having to move to the US as well. And after years of playing basketball, he has finally decided to dedicate his life to boxing, to suicides. So I cannot wait to see his next fight. I don't know when he will be fighting next because his last fight got postponed against Anio Di Mate. So let's see who he fights next, and let's see how he improves. That's right now, guys. Like the video, share, give it a thumbs below, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Cheers, everyone.